You're about to enter a hidden world, one that exists just beneath the surface of the internet you know. A world filled with secrets, mysteries, and powerful tools if you know how to use them. Most people spend their entire lives only seeing the tip of the iceberg. What lies beneath is far bigger and far more fascinating. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on two of the most misunderstood concepts in modern technology, the deep web and the dark web. Let's start with a simple question. When you open your browser and type something into Google, what are you actually seeing? Believe it or not, you're only accessing a tiny fraction of what's really out there. The web you use daily, news sites, social media, shopping, is called the surface web. It's everything that search engines can find and show you easily. But hiding underneath is the deep web. The deep web is made up of all the content that's not indexed by standard search engines. Think about your private email inbox, your online banking account, medical records stored in hospital databases, research libraries tucked away behind paywalls. These aren't shady. They're simply private, protected, or restricted content. In fact, experts estimate that the deep web is 400 to 500 times larger than the surface web. And chances are you access parts of it every single day without even realizing it. But then there's the dark web, a hidden corner within the deep web. A place intentionally concealed, only accessible through special software like the Tor browser. This is where things get more complicated and more interesting. On the dark web, privacy reigns supreme. Websites don't end with .com.org, they end with onion and require encryption to even find. It's a world designed for anonymity. For some, the dark web is a beacon of freedom. Journalists protecting sources, activists fighting censorship, everyday people escaping surveillance. For others, it's a black market, a place where illegal goods, stolen data, and forbidden services are traded. It's a place where both hope and danger coexist, and it's growing and evolving faster than most people realize. Understanding the deep and dark web isn't just fascinating, it's essential. In an age where privacy is constantly under threat, where digital footprints can follow us forever, knowledge is power. Over this course, you'll learn how to explore these hidden layers safely, ethically, and responsibly. You'll discover how they work, who uses them, and how they're shaping the future of the internet itself. This isn't just about hacking or crime. It's about freedom, privacy, innovation, and yes, sometimes risk. Are you ready to see what lies beneath the surface? Let's begin.